Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial apps, specifically one called Snoop. Now, Snoop can be a great tool for tracking your spending and getting insights into your financial habits. But what if you decide it's not for you anymore? Maybe you found a different app you like better, or perhaps you just want a break from all the tracking. Whatever your reason, you deserve to know how to completely remove yourself from Snoop's clutches. That's where this video comes in. We'll be walking you through the process of deleting your Snoop account, step by step. But before we jump in, let's take a quick second to understand why you might want to do this in the first place. Why delete your Snoop account? There are a few reasons why someone might decide to delete their Snoop account. Here are a few of the most common. Privacy concerns. Snoop connects to your bank accounts, which means it has access to a lot of your financial data. While Snoop assures user privacy, some people might feel uncomfortable with this level of access. Feature fatigue. Maybe you signed up for Snoop with a lot of enthusiasm, but now you find the features overwhelming or unnecessary. Found a better fit. The financial app landscape is vast, and you might have discovered another budgeting tool that works better for your needs. Taking a break. Sometimes, we all need a break from tracking and analyzing every penny. Deleting your account allows you to step back and reevaluate your financial goals. Making the decision to delete. Ultimately, the decision to delete your Snoop account is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer. If you're on the fence, consider the following. Review Snoop's privacy policy. This will give you a clearer picture of how your data is used and stored. Explore alternative apps. There are many budgeting and finance apps available. Maybe there's a better fit out there. Consider a temporary break. You can always choose to deactivate your account for a period and then come back to it later. Alright, decision made. Let's delete that account. Now that you've decided to say goodbye to Snoop, here's how to do it. Deleting through the app, if available. Open the Snoop app and log into your account. Insert short screen recording of logging in. Look for the settings section. This might be located in a gear icon or under your profile. Within settings, you should see an option related to deleting your account. It might be called Delete Account or Close Account. Insert short screen recording of navigating settings. Once you find the option, follow the on-screen instructions. You might be prompted to confirm your decision or enter your password. Insert short screen recording of deleting confirmation. Deleting through email. If the in-app option isn't available, you can always delete your account by contacting Snoop directly. Here's how. Open your email app and compose a new message. In the recipient field, enter hello@snoop.app. Write the email address, not a link. In the subject line, clearly state your intention, delete my Snoop account or something similar. In the body of the email, politely request the deletion of your account. Be sure to include your full name and the email address associated with your Snoop account. Once you've proofread your message, hit send. Important considerations after deletion. Data deletion. Snoop assures users that their data is deleted after account closure. However, it's always a good practice to wait a reasonable amount of time before assuming your information is completely gone. Disconnect bank accounts. If you connected your bank accounts to Snoop, make sure to manually disconnect them within your bank's online or mobile app. Wrapping up. So there you have it. With those two simple methods, you can successfully delete your Snoop account and reclaim your financial privacy. Remember, managing your money is all about taking control. Choosing the right tools and feeling comfortable with your financial data is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.